In this video, we are going to see how you can find any CFO's email address and phone number using LinkFinder AI. Click the first link in this video description to go to LinkFinder AI, the tool that you are going to use to find CFO's email address and phone number. Switch to the LinkFinder AI platform to begin your data enrichment process. Here you can create a free account on LinkFinder AI. Once you've created a free account on LinkFinder AI, you'll be granted some free credit that you can use to find CFO's email address and phone number. To find CFO's email address and phone number on LinkFinder AI, first you need to get their LinkedIn profile URL. For that, click on this enrichment to find LinkedIn profile URL. I'm going to type in the full name of my CFO and the company name of my CFO, so Sarah Johnson working at Salesforce. Fill in the company name field to specify the CFO's organization. Enter Salesforce as the company name to locate the correct CFO profile. Click on Enrich Data to find the CFO's LinkedIn URL. I copy that URL that I'm going to use to find both the email address and phone number. Go in the input data type and select LinkedIn profile URL. Select LinkedIn profile URL as the data type for enrichment. Set the output type to email address to retrieve the CFO's contact email. Choose email address as the output type to get the CFO's email. Copy and paste the LinkedIn profile URL of my CEO to find the CFO's email address. Paste the LinkedIn profile URL into the input field for data enrichment. Click on Enrich Data to find the CFO email address from his LinkedIn link. Here we have the CFO's email address. Now I change the output to be set on phone number. Choose phone number as the output type to retrieve the CFO's phone contact. I click again on Enrich Data to find the CFO phone number. Here we have the CFO's phone number from his LinkedIn profile URL. If you'd like to find email address and phone number for multiple CFO profiles, you can utilize the bulk option by uploading a CSV file. Drop your CFO list of LinkedIn profile URLs here to enrich multiple contacts at once. Click on Process Items to process the list of CFOs in your CSV file. Click Export Result to get this as a CSV with all the email addresses and phone numbers contained in the file. The last way you can do it is with the API access. Go into the API documentation to explore available endpoints and usage. Click on B2B Data Lookup to find both the lead full name to LinkedIn URL and other data. Select Post Lead Full Name to LinkedIn URL to retrieve a person's LinkedIn URL from their full name and company. Here is the curl command example to retrieve LinkedIn URLs using the API. Click Post LinkedIn Profile to Email to find a person's professional email address from their LinkedIn profile URL. Here is the curl command example to retrieve email addresses using the API. Click LinkedIn Profile to Phone to find a person's phone number from their LinkedIn profile URL. Here is the curl command example to retrieve phone numbers using the API.